We made it to our location in Maryland. We got Grubhub. And Tanya got a little chip. We had Grubhub come deliver us some Chinese food. She got some make Singapore happy again.
I did not.
What did you get there?
Singapore made fun. What am I making anybody happy?
Singapore fun, make fun. I don't know what it's called.
Singapore noodles.
Singapore noodles, okay. She got upset because I got pillow and eat shrimp.
Tell the truth why I got upset. Because you said, here, look at this, and order what you want. So I ordered one thing. And you ordered 21 things.
No,
Yes.
No, I didn't.
Yes. And there was no, let's do a variety thing, and let's just have a little snack pack thing here. You order a meal, I order a meal. I ordered a meal, you ordered everybody's meal.
Well, the puppies ate, what, about half of my pillow shrimp? Yeah.
Because you fed it to them.
Well, they kept whining.
Well, they're like kids. If you give them everything they want every time they whine, they're going to want everything you got.
Put them to sleep. But they were kind of yummy.
So you wanted to stack Obey 2 inches tall on one.
I only got 2 egg noodles, or egg rolls, and some soup, and some rice for later.
And some peel and eat shrimp.
But I shared my pill and eat shrimp.
Oh, all 3 of them.
I kept pilling and eating them, and you said, no, I don't want no more.
Right. Because you stacked Obey on it this tall.
I thought you liked spicy stuff. Did it clear your sinuses?
Spicy stuff is not the key. Salty stuff was what killed me. That was like heart attack on a shrimp. George, you know I'm right. You like salty things. I don't.
Alright, but we got Grubhub, though.
Yes.
In Maryland.
Yes.
In Jessup, Maryland.
Yes. See, you remembered.
Since we're at a fish place in NAFCO, picking up seafood, we figured we were going to order some seafood.
Yeah, I'm not sure how Chinese turned into seafood, but...
That was the only closest thing I could find that had seafood.
No, you found someplace else. They just wouldn't deliver.
Yeah, they wouldn't deliver. And I couldn't take the truck, so... I'm sorry. So, guys, enjoy this video of me opening up the bag from the
Grubhub. The eat shrimp.
Yeah. Tanya was a character.
You still sleeping outside even though it quit raining. Yep.
No, I'm not. Alright. Like, share, and subscribe below. Make a comment. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all. What we got going on right here? We got us some Grubhub. What are these? There were some egg rolls. Yeah. What is that? Singapore make good again? Or make fun again? What do you think? You want some of that? What else we got in here? What else? What's this? I don't know what that is.
Some kind of a sauce.
Oh, this is some chicken noodle soup. That look good. Here are your crackers. What was this here? I don't know either.
What sauce again?
What is that? Uh-oh. That's rice. That's my rice. This is my dinner here. Oh, yeah. See the reaction of Tanya when she sees this. Oh, yeah. Can you smell it? Can you smell it?
I can't smell. Why would I smell that?
Ooh. Chinese restaurant. Give me good food. yeah.
Get out of this truck.
What?
You got all of that, and I got this.
No. We share. We share. We share.
Truck.
Get out of the
Get
truck.
out of the truck.
Why do I gotta get out of the truck?
Sleep in the rain on the catwalk.
Why?
You're out.
Why?
You're out. Done. That's a wrap.
She's mad. I got shrimp. Pill and eat shrimp. Oh, yeah. I'm going to enjoy this. Later, guys.